Hey guys, welcome back to Craftopia, and you might notice that we have a few friends. So we're going to be unboxing them today, right Mom?
Yeah, new friends.
Okay, so which one should we start with?
I kind of want to start with the hot mesh.
Okay, I guess we're doing this one.
That was my pick. I picked that one, you picked that one, so I want to do mine first.
Okay, I forgot how to open a box. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Oh my gosh.
This is Fashionista number 101. She was my pick because, and she's called Hot Mesh. I like her name. But what I liked about her, not only is she one of the curvy fashionistas, well, of course, I love her shoes. They're really cute. But I liked her little asymmetrical haircut. Of course, we're going to need to do a nice hot water wash on her.
And she has super gelled hair.
Super gelled hair. But I like her little choker, too. It's really cute.
I really like her bob. It looks super cute.
Yeah, I like her hair. And she's got a little cap. She can wear either way.
Okay.
Want to try on her other outfit?
Yeah. She has a dress that has 84 on it. You could see. And she has a choker, which I really like. I've never seen a doll choker before.
Yeah, I don't think we've seen one that came with a choker.
Yeah.
We've made our own, but...
Yeah, we have. So we're going to change her into her next outfit. So, yeah.
Yeah, her second outfit's really cute. She's got a little cold shoulder top.
I love cold shoulders.
And I think we're going to try this skirt on our other girls.
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be a one-size-fits-all.
Yeah, it looks like it will probably fit at least the regular Barbies. And the top has full Velcro all the way down, so that will probably fit the rest of the girls too.
Yeah, so
I like her green first.
She has a black and white cold shoulder shirt. Then
we already have one kind of like this, but this one's a little bit different.
Yeah, it shows her belly.
Yeah, but I do like her sunglasses
She also
too.
has some sunglasses.
She looks very chic.
Yeah, she does. And she has, what is it called again? A shimmery?
Yeah, it's pretty shimmery.
A shimmery.
It's kind of like a split leg skirt, and it has gold on the waistband.
Yep,
and I like her purse.
Yeah, and her purse is lime green.
Yeah.
Yeah, lime green. And she has the same shoes, so.
Yeah, I did like this fashionista because she came with two outfits and the choker, the shoes, the cap, and the purse.
Yeah.
I think she might have been 15. I don't remember if she was 15 or 20, but we got her on Amazon.
Yeah. Which part of her is your favorite?
My favorite, I think, I honestly really like that skirt. I think, and I like her haircut.
Yeah. I like her haircut and her shoes and her skirt.
Yeah, I can't wait to wash her hair.
Yeah, me too.
Okay, next.
Next one is my favorite.
So, yeah, we've got to be honest here.
Yeah, number 57.
57. So, I don't remember ever seeing her before, even though she's number 57.
I think she's a new one.
Well, how can she be new if she's 57?
She was new to you.
Yeah, she was definitely new to me. I don't remember seeing her. Maybe I've just been sleeping, but I think I would remember her because she has the violet hair.
Yeah.
And you know I like my purple hair dolls.
Yeah, because I already stole one of your purple hair dolls.
Yeah.
And this one's just like me because I'm petite.
I bought my Barbie to be
I'm
me.
super petite.
You're 7.
It's only 7.
I bought one to be like my Barbie,
And I just stole it.
yeah, but that was back when I had purple hair, and my hair is back to brown.
Okay, guys, we got her out of the box.
What's her name? Did it have her description?
I think it said Petey.
No. Oh, she was called Tutu
Tutu.
Fabulous, I think.
Yeah. So her accessories are her little diamond
We loved
chunk necklace.
this necklace.
I love
It
the
looks like it
necklace.
has little gems on it. It
I
is
know.
so cute.
So cute.
And honestly, we had to get her because of this top.
Yeah.
Um,
Belle.
her shoes are really cute.
I know. I'll show this in a minute. And then she has like this soft leather. No, not leather. This soft soft fabric.
Yeah, with
And
the
then-
tulle over it.
Yeah, tulle over it. One layer of tulle. And then these shoes, they're just like divine. I don't know.
Let's see.
They are the cutest.
Really,
And
really
they have
cute.
rubber bands on them. And I'm gonna show.
That's not for style purposes. That's just, yeah,
It's beauty.
to keep them on her feet.
No, it's beauty.
Yeah.
Beauty and the Beast.
And her eyes are really pretty color.
I know.
They're like kind of like a gray violet, and her hair is this really pretty like dusty violet color.
Yeah, and
Love.
shows on the back.
Well, she's
She definitely needs a hot water rinse.
yeah. We need to do some work on her, but she'll be great. She'll be
Yeah.
great. She's the same. The waist is fully elastic, and the shirt is Velcro all the way down.
Yep. And now we're going to our last and final one.
We got a new made to move. We originally got this made to move before we got our new Belle.
Yeah.
Because we had been looking for a made-to-move body for her that matched her skin tone. Because our first Belle was very, very, very pale with pink undertones. Very pale with pink undertones. And we
This just
still,
came right off.
yeah, we still have yet to find a body for her. So she's just we haven't forgotten her, but she is just... She has the basic 5 points of articulation, and there's not much we can do with her other than just have her sit there and look pretty. But this girl, she's a lot cuter than I expected. I couldn't tell much about her. She's from the original wave of Made to Move. And so I don't know, are we going to keep her like she is? Or are we going to switch her up with someone? Do we know yet?
No. Don't worry, guys. I am not cutting her hair. At least I think so. I've never cut a Barbie's hair in my life. So I think this should...
You did cut your own hair once, but...
That was in kindergarten.
No, that was in pre-K 3.
That was in pre-K 3. I mean, come on.
But they did send it home for me in a little envelope.
Yeah.
You cut a big chunk off.
Like
You got it?
Yeah. No. Okay, you can do it because I'm too afraid.
Okay.
And also, if you're wondering where this girl came from, my mom posted it on her Instagram.
I posted it on the Instagram account for
Our
K&L Craftopia.
Instagram.
Yes.
And it's just pitch black. Pitch black.
Yeah, it's really cute. We got it
Yeah.
at Target in the dollar spot, and
Yeah.
we are apparently they've had them before. I don't ever remember seeing them.
Yeah.
But oh, her hair is really nice.
I know. Can I tell them the story of how I saw them?
Yes, you can absolutely tell the story.
Okay, so we were going into Target, and then we got and then we grabbed a cart, and then I was like, oh, I saw the grills, and I was like, mommy, look, there's the grills, and there's three kinds. There's just this.
Well, there was only 5 left. So we had been in Target, about 2 or 3 weeks ago looking for them?
Yeah.
And they weren't there. They weren't out at our store yet. And we tried the other store, I think, or maybe I was just there by myself, and they didn't have them there either. Yeah, we did try the other one. And so as soon as we walked in Target, Lily spotted these from like 30 feet away, and she zoomed over, and they had one left of the black, and they had one like pink with words on it.
No, the blue one had words.
The blue one had words on it, and there was a pink one. But what we're gonna do is we're probably gonna use some skinny sticks and paint a silver griddle for the inside of this grill. We have another grill, but I don't know, this one's
purple.
cuter. Yeah.
Yeah.
This one's definitely more realistic, and it'll go great in our backyard once we get our backyard set up.
Yeah. Now let's bring in a guest, a long-time friend guest. I don't know if that makes sense.
Yeah. So this is our original Belle.
She looks very pale, so I don't know.
Yeah, she's really pretty, but really pale. She's got very soft, pretty hair.
Yeah.
It's a little bit more auburn than our current Belle, and her eyes are about the same. Her head is a lot smaller. Our new Belle has those big, pretty eyes. But this was our old Belle, and we just could not find a maid to move to match her. So this was the most pale girl we could find. She has freckles, and as you can see, she is still not a match for Belle.
Yeah.
So
I really want to get away with it, though.
No, I don't think that is way too different. I mean,
let me see. I can't see from there.
No, here.
No, we cannot get away.
No, you're not having my body. Okay, all right.
Okay. So yeah. Can I show them one more thing?
Okay, I don't know what you're going to show.
I really need to get up close for this.
Okay. Our dog is sleeping on the floor. Don't step on him.
I'm not. Okay.
He's very big.
Yeah. He's a lab. Okay. Okay.
Oh, jeez. Really?
I got braces.
Yes.
Braces.
So Lily got some braces this past Friday. She had to get some on her back teeth, on her back molars, because her adult molar is trying to come out before her
you can't see.
Baby molar is supposed to fall out. So they were either going to pull your baby molar, which isn't supposed to come out for another year or two, or they could put braces on them to give it space.
This is kind of weird and embarrassing to talk about my teeth.
Well, you're the one who decided to go walk up to the camera and stick your teeth in it. Yeah. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to make just a simple skirt real quick. This is just some fabric that I happened to have. I was tie-dyeing some shirts a couple weeks ago, and so I had some scraps. So I just kind of measured it out for our girl, just based on her size. I'm going to sew it together, one seam in the back, and I'm going to use this thick elastic that we use like for hair ties, and then it'll be like a cute little two-tone tie-dye. So here's our finished product. We made a little tie-dye skirt with an elastic waistband and a zigzag stitch, and I think our made to move looks really cute. What do you think, Lily?
I think she looks like someone who's going to like a group thing or like a group song or something.
Like in a band?
Yeah, like in a band.
Like a K-pop band for girls? Like a female K-pop band? No.
We can sing
No.
songs. Yeah.
No, I think that's good for tonight.
No, we can sing songs.
That's
We
good
can
for
sing
tonight.
songs. We
All
can
right,
sing
guys.
songs.
Bye.
No,
We'll see you
we can sing
later.
songs.